Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I've made throughout the week. You can always find these creations either on my YouTube channel or my blog, and all the links are below. I also have in the description box a list of all the products that were used on the cards. This showcase is from Saturday, July 7th, 2023 through Friday, July 14th, 2023. And you can see it's a very small showcase. Many of the cards that I shared this week were created like last month and have already been sent out before I was doing these videos for every creation and stuff. So I only have two. I wasn't going to do it, but I thought, why not? I have been very busy behind the scenes this week, working on things for next month and just lots of crafting, but things I just can't share yet. I do have quite a few videos going up in the next few days, so those will be up. So on to the showcase. Both are Newton's Nook cards. I created this one, Live Every Day Like It's Taco Tuesday, to announce me joining the Inky Paws Challenge team. Uses Newton Loves Tacos. I just love that stamp set. And there's the inside. I think those tacos should be a real thing, shaped like cats. I would buy them. And then the Newton's Nook, excuse me, Inky Paws Challenge 202 started this last week on Monday. And it's Summer Lovin'. So I created this card using Newton's Flower Garden and lots of other good products from Newton's Nook. He's out there playing with the butterflies. You Make Me Smile. And then there's the inside of that one. So there's my cards from the week that I still have in my own possession. Hopefully going forward, there shouldn't be many more cards that I don't have videos for. I'm trying really hard to keep up on that, having fun with it. It is a little different since Belle is back from France. She had a fabulous time, but I'm being respectful because she's home more and not having her be quiet. So I'm trying to do all my videos when she's gone and whatnot. It's about a month until she leaves for college. Then I'll have all the time in the world. But anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. Like I said, I do have quite a few videos going up today and over the next couple days. So I hope you will subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. And a thumbs up is always appreciated. Have an amazing day and go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.